being all so tired today. Have to come.
Come on, Harry.
Go more, no, relax, go more.
Okay.
Wow, Hannah, the boss. Hannah, go first.
Yeah.
Hannah, come up here. Here, girl. Good girl.
Holy. Lots more water today, huh?
Yeah. You know why? Because the one, yeah, rain too strong.
He goes too far. Heather, no, you're gonna. She was trying to go back. I don't want to fall in that muck right there. Heather, what are you doing?
We can let Harry come here.
Heather, doing something. Come here, Harry. One of my legs. Go under.
Hannah.
I don't think he knows it's deep.
Look at Harry. Harry, be careful. Who follow me? What?
Hannah and Heather. This dog is gonna fall. Right?
It's beautiful here.
Harry, no, you can't go, Harry. Watch your step, honey. You're gonna knock one of them in the water. So be careful. Hannah, especially, she went under Harry's legs. She went under Harry's legs. Oh wow, they're pretty good.
Here you see Hannah.
Hannah?
Oh, Hannah.
Come here. Did you get her on video?
Hannah, you be careful. I told you. Look at Heather.
Yeah, she's sniffing her. All right, go back. Where's Harry at? Did he go back already? She's a little rat now.
She don't stop. She's not scared. Why?
Yeah, she just kind of stepped off and then she's like, uh-oh, it's too deep.
Good girl. So, looks skinny now.
Yeah, she sure does. She looks really skinny. Look at her. She's so happy. She got wet. She goes, Dad, I went swimming.
You sure saw Colorado Mock Trail.
I know, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Trial. Mock trial.
Mock Trail.
Yeah. We're back at Lake Houston Wilderness Park, and we're in campsite number 16. And
Last time we 15 too close.
last time we were over here on 15, but this one looks pretty good. It's not too far from the car, and we just gathered some wood. And
So
got a
nice.
fire.
We find free wood again.
Yes, we just got some wood.
I carry one.
I didn't see this last time. All right, this is the bathroom and shower facility here. Pretty nice, very clean inside. Plenty of toilet paper. And looking at our surrounding area here. I'm not sure what this building is right here. Maybe for a group camp or something. Anyways, got a playground here. Big dumpsters over there. Hey, volleyball court. And where we're positioned right now, there's a slide right here.
Her feet so dirty.
I know. This has to dry out from the heat, you know?
Mm-hmm. Wow, I don't know, come out easy.
Yeah, I know. So,
break easy.
It's so rotted. This stuff is gonna burn good.
Mm-hmm. You hear some dog? Heather, no. Harry, come here.
This long sleeve. Where this one? Right there, which will be good.
I think I bring not enough the
Sticks?
yes, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Still fine. I can put tight together.
That's just the heat wool. It doesn't have like a flame on it. Here you go. Maybe. Right. Barbecue pork and sweet potato here.
Same a little bit, but a lot I put.
Yeah, we got a lot of meat there. So
And we have bone. I make
us
soup.
and the dogs will be eating good tonight.
Yes.
Today, actually, this afternoon.
And how about tonight? Nothing.
Tonight,
We eat all already.
leftovers. Yeah, tonight leftovers. Carrie, you're not going over there.
Maybe put the wrist on Heather.
She'll be okay. She won't walk over there. They're little dogs over there.
No, we have to.
Yeah, but they're little dogs, so they're okay. All right, we are about ready to eat here.
I bring some lime.
We got the barbecue pork.
Yep.
We got this cucumber salad. This is the sauce for the pork. And right here we have sticky rice. Oh, wow. I didn't even know that. And we have soup, too. That's what you do. Get a little sticky rice. And dip it in here. Just like that. And then bite it. Mmm.
It's good, right?
All right, Mom. Delicious.
Yummy. Oh, delicious.
Mmm.
I put a little bit chili here. ดิบเลย
We eat good food, huh? We eat good food.
And when we eat, when we go church, the last time, make I like. Be nice if we have ice cream now.
Would be good, huh?